Hello guys, it's another weekend again, and nice to see you back again. The drinks that we're gonna make today is a durian martini. Actually, I just buy the ready one. You can buy the whole fruits, but I just buy the ready one. So this one is the durian. Smells good. And then I get the Finlandia vodka. They get the infused a long time ago. I don't know how many months now. It's like 8 months. Manzanitas, or the cotton candy berry. So, and then I got the Calamansi honey. Right. I got the filler also for the lemon. Right. Let me get the ice. Ice ready. And the glass. Make some space for the ice. Really frost the ice. Frost the glass. There we go. And then the durian. You can buy the whole fruits actually, and well, I just buy this one. It's ready to use. It smells really good. See, this is the seeds of the durian. I think there's a durian ice cream also in the stores, and it tastes really good. So try it. Right. Clean up this a little bit. And then vodka. Finlandia. Jigger of the vodka. And let me muddle first so that it will liquefy the durian. So this is already having a jigger of the vodka. So the smell of the durian try to take over the vodka actually, but the vodka is really strong also, so it will nice combination. And then the cotton candy infused. See the color? It's really smells good. And then the jigger of the honey calamansi. Then ice. Let me add like 1.5 jigger of the vodka. Just 1.5 jigger of the vodka. Right. That's it. Shake it. I think that's it. Looks like milk. It's double strength. The whole process actually, because the durians like really looks like really creamy. right, I think that's it. Exactly. So now let me add some garnish. See the lemon peel. The lemon peel is good of these drinks, actually, the durian martini, because they will take over the smell of the durian. Because you know, if you smell the durian, there's lots of people that doesn't like the smell actually of the durian. But for me, it's okay. You know, it's not that really bad actually, and in fact, it's really, the fruit's really good. Right, that's it. And that's it. Enjoy your durian martini. And before we end up this video, actually, please again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then the my Instagram, the Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page also. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. See you next time.